YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader FX back with another video. Good morning, good evening, whichever one applies to you. Shout out to all of those who are subscribed to my channel. I appreciate it. Thank you. And shout out to you if you're a vote holder, man. Big ups, because right now, vote has exploded. Vote is on the move. It is rocketing, all right? We're going to get into the technical analysis on that for sure. Ethereum, Bitcoin, all that good stuff. All right, we're gonna see where could Volt be headed at next, right? What zone, what level, where could it possibly reject, right? So you don't want to miss out on that. If you are new to my channel, I would like to take this time to ask right now, if you could please hit that like button. And if you enjoy my video at the end or now, you hit that subscribe button for me, man. It's free. All right, don't cost y'all nothing. Not only that, it gives you a chance to enter a giveaway once I reach 500 subscribers, which I'm almost there, y'all. All right, I got 462 subscribers. Man, shout out to everybody who has been subscribing and everyone who has been subscribed and held through everything, all this time that I've had this channel. Y'all the real OGs. But yeah, guys, listen. $200 giveaway once I reach 500 subscribers, $100 to 2 people each. So don't want to miss out on that. So hit that post notification, set it on all right, so you don't miss out on any content or any good technical analysis, especially crypto, vote, the good stuff, man. All right, guys, I am a very blunt person. Whether the market is good, whether the market is bad, I will speak on it, right? With that being said, this video is not financial advice, strictly for educational purposes only. Do your own research. Always highly recommend that you do your own research on anything you invest in, all right? Know what you're investing in, okay? Yeah, guys, I don't know if you can tell, I'm excited. I'm sure the whole vote community is pumped up. The whole vote army is pumped up. We're all voted right now. There's a lot of people who doubted vote. Shame on you. Straight up, shame on you, right? Nah, but y'all don't know no better, right? But in any case, man, you know what? I'm not gonna hold it up no more. Let's get to it.
Yeah. I got me some vote. 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 You should get you some vote. Fill up your bags. Back up the...
All right, y'all. So we got vote sitting at 4682 currently. Okay. We did apparently reach this. So I'm just gonna start off with this. All right. We did get up to 53.19. All right. And price rejected this box, which I just created. So if you've been watching my videos, and if you haven't watched any of my videos, go back and watch all this content that I have on Vote Inu and do your research, man. All right. But not only that, catch up. All right. I put this box here. Why? Because here was some resistance. Price broke through that resistance. Tried to come up, break through it again. Couldn't. Created. Price created support. Okay. Then broke through that support. Came back up. Created the resistance. I'm pumped, y'all. Created that resistance. Okay. And now, and then what happened when price got up to here? Price just came all the way back down over here. Right. Now, what did price do? Price came back to that same zone that it pushed from and continued to push down from. All right. So the big question is it going to do the same thing, or is it going to break this level and push on up? Right. That is something where, you know what? Now we got to wait to see how the next daily candle gets printed. I like to do my technical analysis on sometimes a 12-hour, daily, weekly. Okay. But where we were at, man, golly, all right? And I'm going to start going ahead and erasing lines after I finish this technical, okay? So let me see, make sure y'all looking at what I'm looking at perfectly, okay? All right, so we were here yesterday, okay? All of a sudden, price shoots all the way up, okay? Listen, I got a message, and shout out to Drew. All right, he messaged me or commented on my channel and said, "Did you see that God candle?" And I was at home, just gotten home from work and was busy with my kids. And I'm like, let me go check it out. Boy, that was pumping. Okay, I'm talking about, I think it was right around in this zone when I finally seen it, and then price just continued to push on up, man, as you can tell, right? Breaking 34.50. All right, not only breaking 34.50, breaking 41.83 where there was previous support turned into resistance. Okay, broke straight through that. All right, now my only concern is, right, one, this is not downing. Like I said, I'm a blunt person. This is not downing. Well, you know what, right? I'm giving y'all the raw, okay? Only thing that's concerning is that this rejection right here, right? In a zone where this is where price technically pushed on down even further, right? But my other concern is that with such a big push comes a pullback. Okay, now I'm wondering, how big is the pullback gonna be? Is it gonna come back down to this level here, or is it gonna come out to this main real level of resistance? Right. Let me go ahead and make this a little bit more. There we go. Okay, this is where it broke out of. Right, price broke out of here. Okay, so is it gonna pull back down into the zone at 34.50 and then continue pushing back up, and then retesting right here at this level where it's rejecting at currently? Those are questions that I have, right? But if we go to the weekly time frame, look how beautiful this is looking. Okay, guys, like I said, all right, okay, this was the low, high, higher low. Now we're creating a high. So I'm guessing we're gonna come back down. Now this is not financial advice, but it would make sense that price would come back down to 34.50 to create the next higher low to then push on up again, right? I gave multiple scenarios in my last video. Go and watch it because I'm not really gonna get into it too much. It's gonna be a quick little video, right? Because Volt is doing crazy things right now, right? I'm pumped, y'all. This is amazing. Okay, so I also seen it here. Okay, we were creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Okay, came back, retested where it broke out of. Okay, anytime you have a major consolidation range, there's a lot of pressure. Like I said, it builds up, and when it breaks out in whatever direction it breaks out of, and that is exactly what happened, right? And then price came here, and then now we're here. Okay, now that's what it looks like on the daily. On the weekly, looks a lot more of a uptrend confirmation. It might be possible that we could come down to 34.50. Now I'm only telling you guys this as a best case. As a worst case scenario, right? It all depends. If the volume continues and people start FOMOing in, this thing could just take off, and it has all of this to fill up again. All of this whole range, all right? So from here to here, that's 104%, okay? That we still got to make up, all right? Now this candle that shot out, all right, that shot all the way up, all right, is approximately 69%, okay? Let's see what Volt is at right now. Volt is currently at 52%, all right? So it's at 47.27 now, okay? Let's go down to the 12-hour. Seeing, for some reason, DEX tools, man, that's the only problem with DEX tools is this don't look right. There should be another candle. I could be wrong, but it's all one candle in every time frame besides this, so which doesn't make any sense. But it is what it is, right? As long as that the price is being updated, okay, that's what matters, all right. But for the moment, DEX Tools does that. It lags a bit sometimes, so it's really hard right now to see where it's going. 4 hour, okay, that's the 4 hour rejection right there. All right, definitely, man, I'm pumped. Like I said, this could be the start of the bull run and the inflation rate, Jerome Powell, FOMC, all this has something. FOMC has something to do. All that has something to do with the market, and that was what my last video was about. Did FOMC help crypto? Excuse me. Did FOMC help crypto? Well, what do you guys think? Because it looks to me that it's definitely helping Vote push up. Okay, let's go ahead and look at CoinMarketCap. All right, y'all. And CoinMarketCap is sitting at 1.62 trillion. All right, we're up 0.8% for the day. All right, let me go to my watch. And by the way, I always got to remind y'all, 126 more days to Bitcoin halving. Okay, so let's see. Okay, Cardano, man, up 40% for the week. All right, Bitcoin is currently down 1%. Ethereum is down almost 3%. Okay, but Vote is doing 11.9 million. So might as well say $12 million 24-hour volume, up 72% for the week, y'all. 50% for the day and 7% for the last hour. All right, amazing stuff. And our rank is now 674. Okay, looking very good, y'all. Looking very good. Comment down below, what are y'all's opinion, man? Where do you guys think Vote is headed? Is it gonna pull back, you think, or is it gonna break this level and continue pushing on up? I want to know. I want to know people's thoughts. I want to know what are other people's idea of Vote pushing up right now. All right, where we're at in crypto. All right, comment down below, man. Smash that like button also, man. If you're enjoying this video, if you're enjoying the technicals, smash that like button for me. If you're voted, smash that like button, y'all. Come on now, smash that like button. Vote's gonna continue pushing on up, so smash it, cause it'll go up. Y'all not smashing it, it's gonna go down. So, but anyways, guys, let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick, y'all. All right, Bitcoin is currently at 42,925, 924, around there, headed towards 44,400. That's that zone that I told y'all about, right? We need that break and close above 44,400 or even 44,000, all right? But we definitely need to break this white line, okay? So to get confirmation that we're gonna move on up to the next zone, which is 46,000, which is what is in orange, all right? And then we continue going on from there, right? If we look at the weekly will show us that we are rejecting this, but we definitely need a better bullish candle, a better closure. The fact that it's yellow right now and it's wicking, hopefully wicking down, meaning it's creating one of these. All right, for those who don't know what the term is, creating one of these, so then it can push on up. All right, it's got 21 hours left to go, so anything can happen. It can be going up. It's gonna fluctuate. We need that push to break this level to continue pushing up, and I believe that everything else will go along with it, right? So far, $40,000 has been respected. I did say in my video that it was probably going to come back down to 40,000 and retest 40,000. 40,000 held, all right? Let's see. Let's look at Ethereum real quick, okay? Ethereum is doing pretty much the same thing, and I know I got a lot on my chart right now, but I'm just keeping up with everything that with all the technicals as I go along, right? Price is respecting this uptrend line that I have right here, which I'll go ahead and make it a different color. Okay, we'll go ahead and make it as close as it can to a Vote color, right? Not so much, but y'all get the general idea, right? This line right here, price is respecting that line. Price did come back and retest 2100, all right, in this box, which was previous resistance, okay, turned into support, okay, and with the help of the Fed's meeting, FOMC, price started to push back up, created this tail. Now let's look at the weekly, okay? Weekly, same thing, looking like Bitcoin, except it pulled liquidity, it seems like, all right? Broke the low here and then wicked back up. We need that closure above 2,400 because that's where it looks like it's headed, to 2,400. So we'll know more once it can get back up into the 2,400 level if it doesn't come back down, okay? Like I said, we need more data, we need more candles, all right? I need more information to go off of to give a better technical analysis, because I hope that we're not just coming up to create a double top and then pushing back down. All right, that's the worst case scenario. Best case scenario, we break through 2400, right? And we continue pushing on up, okay? All right, so that is my technical analysis. I'm sure y'all have already heard about it. Everyone's going crazy on Twitter over Volt. Volt has definitely been a slept on crypto, right? Everyone's been into all the other hype ones, right? And speaking of that, I'm gonna go ahead for my PMPY holders, right? Go ahead and give you all a quick technical analysis, all right? And that is, let's look at the daily. Looking very beautiful, guys, actually, all right? This is looking very, very nice. Broke above 1400, like I said. We needed to close above 1400. Price came back down, retested 1400, if you can see, right? Price has definitely came back down, retested it, and then started pushing back up, breaking these highs over here, all right? So I did say that we, to get confirmation whether we were going up or down. So if we were going to go down, we needed to have a close below 1300 or 1275, right? And we didn't get that, right? We didn't get that. So put that right there as close as I can to 1300 right now. There's just, quick little technical analysis on PMPY, all right? Definitely it is creating an uptrend, all right? So that's what that's looking like, all right? Looking very beautiful. Shout out to all you PMPY holders that are still in it, okay? This is looking amazing, man. I was hoping, I'm not gonna lie to you, I was gonna get in it if it was able to come below 1300 and come back down to around this level here. I would have gotten in it. I'm still waiting on a good, nice, big pullback. Nothing disrespectful to y'all, right? But for me personally, to get into it, I want to get a better price. I want to get it at a better discount, right? So I could capitalize more on the move. All right. Doing more of my research on PMPY. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Okay, I'm liking what I'm reading, the research. So shout out to you guys, man. All right, but definitely a big win today for Volt Inu, man. It's definitely a big win. I'm excited to see how this plays out. And again, I will update y'all tomorrow as more data gets printed. So everyone who's still watching, man, if you could please hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate the love, man. I appreciate the feedback. Comment down below. Let me know anything, your thoughts on what's going on, y'all. All right. Everyone have a good night, good morning, whatever y'all doing. Be blessed, be smart, invest wisely, do your own research, not financial advice. Peace.